This is how to make your Pinterest account public. If you haven't already, go to the App Store, search Pinterest, and download the Pinterest app. Once you've downloaded it, let's open up the app. The home page is going to open up right away. In the bottom right, we're going to press our profile icon. Once you have our profile opened up, the top right, there are these 3 dots option. We're going to press on those 3 dots. You're going to see a few options here. We're going to press settings. On this page right here, we're going to click on privacy and data. Now the very first option, it says search privacy. It says hide your profile and boards from search engines. It's currently on, but if we turn it off, our account is now public. So if this option is on, it is private, but if it's off, it's public. That is how to make your Pinterest account public.